Meaning of inducement.
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 Inducement. Inducement refers to an act or process of persuading or influencing someone to do something. It can involve the use of incentives, rewards, or other means to motivate or encourage a particular behavior or action. Inducements can be both positive, such as offering a job promotion or salary increase, and negative, such as threatening with punishment or loss of privileges. The key aspect is that an inducement aims to create a desired outcome by influencing someone's decisions or actions. In summary, inducement is a way to influence someone's behavior through motivation or persuasion.